There are times when you'll be away from your Zoho Mail account, like being on a vacation, traveling with limited or no internet access. Whatever the situation, communication is essential, even when you're trying to unplug. It's important to inform colleagues, clients, and business contacts of your unavailability during your absence from work. Out of office, an autoresponder feature enables you to customize a message that will be automatically sent to everyone who emails you when you're away from work. Setting this up informs the sender that you've received the email and gives a proper explanation of why you can't respond right away. It's important to ensure that the reply is professional and concise and conveys the following points: your unavailability at the moment, the exact date of your return, contact information for urgent cases, contact information of colleagues to be contacted in your absence. Here's how to set this up. Log into your Zoho Mail account, go to Settings on the right side panel. Select Out of Office. Enter the subject and set your message content in the Compose box. Set the time period by selecting the start or end dates and choosing the days of the week you'd like the automated reply to be sent for the emails received. You can choose the accounts from which the auto reply needs to be sent and enable Mark as busy in calendar to ensure meetings aren't scheduled. Next, you can set the auto response interval based on the frequency you would like the auto reply to be sent for the emails received. Your out-of-office responses will be saved automatically in the Sent folder. You can choose not to save them by disabling the toggle button. Click Save. Now that you know how to configure your out-of-office auto reply, this will help you to take a break from your work in peace. For more details, check out our help pages and we'll see you in the next video.